Hey guys, it's Cassie.
It's Richie.
It is hot. It is a hot girl summer.
Super sweaty summer.
Super sweaty. I am sweating so much. But I actually just came from the Philippines, which was even more sweaty because it was humid there.
Yeah.
So I was in the Philippines for 2 weeks. I went there because my parents decided to renew their vows in the Philippines. And then I attended the memorial service for my grandpa who recently passed away. But yeah, it's been a crazy 2 weeks. Finally, don't feel jet lagged anymore.
Oh wow.
So we're good.
After a week.
I was literally like so tired, so like all over the place, but now I feel good. I feel 100%. What have you been doing?
I've just been chilling, waiting for you to come back.
Oh, I missed you.
But yeah, keeping myself busy.
Keeping yourself busy. You're usually with me when it comes to like vacations and stuff.
Yeah.
But this time, you were not with me, unfortunately. But I want to go back. Definitely want to hit up Siargao with Richie because I went with a bunch of moms.
Never been.
My mom and her best friends. It was fun.
Dang.
But they're actually crazy. In a good way. Anyways, so we're going to be doing our
Summer favorites.
Yeah.
Summer is like coming-ish to an end. Well, for us, because we only have 3 months of summer.
Anyways, favorites. We haven't done a favorites video since March, I think.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
Comment down below if you like our favorites videos and we'll try and post every month for you guys. But for now, this is just what we've been loving for summer 2019 hot girl summer.
It Cosmetics, Confidence in a Cream. This one's the rosy tone one. I actually just finished the beige covering. The regular one. But this one is the rosy tone one. You know, it kind of adds color if you're feeling dull this summer. I love It Cosmetics moisturizer because it doesn't make you feel sticky. Like it's really good.
Yeah.
But it also moisturizes your skin. So perfect.
So my skincare favorite is the Ole Henriksen's brand new Banana Bright Face Primer. I love this primer because one, it makes my face matte. Richie, can you see? Can you attest to the matte?
Even if you're sweating.
Yeah, despite being sweaty, I am matte. It has vitamin C, so it also has brightening properties, I guess you could say. I think their whole like Truth line is infused with vitamin C anyways. So I've been really loving this and it helps my makeup apply really well and last really long. Obviously, we gotta bronze the face. As you can see, do I look a little darker?
Yeah, you do.
I do. I have like a tan line over here. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm like peeling right now. But yeah, I love like the whole summer glow vibe. So to add on to my already bronzed, relatively bronzed self, I have the Milani Soleil Baked Bronzer. And I believe this has been a cult favorite for many, many beauty gurus. And I get why now because it's amazing.
Their highlighters are good.
I love it. It's just like a really, really, really pretty bronzer. It has like strains of like gold and stuff. I haven't really been using a bronzer to bronze my face. I've been just using it to contour, but for this I actually like bronze like my forehead and stuff like that, just to add like a bronzy kind of goldy vibe. I don't know. It's really pretty and it's inexpensive. The Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm. So this has been a lifesaver when I was traveling in the Philippines. I like it. It's like a little bullet. I don't know.
Mine melted.
It's just perfect.
Well, not completely, but like one time I put it on, it was like super, because I left it in the car.
Really?
It was so thick.
Oh no.
Don't leave it in your car.
This is really good for if your lips are sunburned.
Oh, okay.
So when I was like island hopping and stuff, I would just apply it just to make sure everything stayed moisturized and whatnot.
A lip gloss, their H2O gloss from Tarte. I'm surprised actually that I like it because I don't normally gravitate towards like pinkish toned whatever. But for some reason, I've just been wanting to just add some life. I feel like the mauve kind of makes me look really dull. So I feel like this summer I'm like really into like
pinky,
a little bit of a pink, you know? Moisturize my lips and it has really cool packaging. Yeah. Like it seems like it's wet.
It does look wet.
Like literally.
Like
I'm like,
wet.
how did you add that effect there?
The next thing I have is really the only thing I bought in the Philippines. I just tried not to buy much. However, when I saw this at J Center, I don't remember the store, but I'm sure you can probably find something similar in Amazon. When I saw this, I'm like, yes, I need it.
So practical. Like why?
What do you mean, why? Can you just... How freaking cute is this? It's kind of like an egg holder. I feel like you can put like an egg on it.
Egg there.
So it's a beauty blender stand.
So practical. The only thing she bought.
This is the only thing I bought in the Philippines.
How much was that?
Besides food. I don't know, like
pesos?
yeah, like 199
which is like
pesos.
what, $2 or $1?
250, something like that. But I'm sure you can find this at Amazon or like something like that. But it's a stand, so it's good. It's hygienic. I just plop my beauty blender on here.
Yeah. I should probably get one.
You should. Oh, I should have gotten one for you. It's okay. I should have bought like multiple. I don't know. I wasn't really thinking.
Like as pasalubos.
Yeah. Why
instead
did
of keychains?
Stupid. Like Cassie.
It's fine.
Think of your friends.
Whoa.
wait. There we go.
Yours is reversed.
We've got wrap dresses. Richie and I have the exact same wrap dress. It's just in different colorways.
From Oakenfort.
It's so cute. Yes.
We love the whole wrap dress silhouette with the V cut, whatever. It's so flattering, I feel like. And it's not super like provocative, you know what I mean?
Well,
anyways,
it's very girly actually. It's like one of the most girly like
I feel
dresses
like
I have. So it's from Oakenfort. Speaking of Oakenfort, you have these.
Oh yeah, I have these shorts that I've been wearing all summer. It's not your typical short shorts. They're like long. So they like hit my
thighs.
Mid-thigh. And it's just really cute because it has that overlay button that goes like way where it's not supposed to be.
way.
But it's like trending, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah, and speaking of Oakenfort, if you guys live in Vancouver, Oakenfort's hosting their annual warehouse sale in Canada Place. I'll put all the details over here if you guys want to attend. We're gonna be there probably like one of the days, I don't really know, but I love going to their warehouse sale because a lot of their clothes are marked down by like 80%,
90%,
and 90%. I don't know, a lot of things are very inexpensive, so I highly recommend you guys paying a visit. I got some Yeezys, these 700s. So hype, I know, cool. But shout out to Adidas. They actually sent these over to me, which I'm super grateful for. But I just love the colorway. It's just so sick. All these gray tones going on, super neutral, matches a lot of my outfits. So yeah, Yeezys, that's all I gotta say.
Hype,
they're cool. I like them, they fit well, they're comfy. All I wanna say, but Richie has some more inexpensive shoe to show you guys.
Skechers, bringing them back. I know these have been in for a long time, but I have the black and white ones, but I decided to get like white ones because I know that they do go with everything. I literally wear it with this dress.
Yeah,
like it doesn't seem like it would go together, but I do it anyways. And yeah, I just been wearing this all summer.
You have been. I can attest to that. She has been.
It's dirty.
My first accessory that I've been wearing literally every single day is this necklace.
Is it a locket?
Guess what's in here? Yeah. So I wanted to tell you. Just kidding. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here.
You should put something in it.
My grandpa.
Oh yeah.
I should. I'm gonna do that actually. But yeah. So it's a little locket from a jury. I really like it, and it goes a lot, and it looks really like well made.
And it looks vintage almost.
Yeah, it almost looks really vintage for sure. This guy.
This is from Sunny's Studios. Shout out to Sunny Studios for sending us cool glasses. This one has I don't know what kind of vibe it is. It's like a
cat
vintage. Is it like a vintage vibe? Like I feel like a vintage vibe with this, but I've been wearing it a lot because they don't have, obviously these ones don't have nose pads. I feel like nose pads kind of like wreck my makeup. So this one just lays on my face nicely and it's super hip, super stylish. But yeah, so all summer I've been wearing bucket hats thanks to you. She gave me her bucket hat that was too small for her head. I have a tiny head,
I have a
so
big
it's really
head.
hard for me to find like good hats that work for me. I found this actually at Value Village.
Oh.
Yeah, and I was like, I have to get it.
Yeah.
So I washed it, guys, but beige. I have been looking for this, and I feel like the brim is like perfect.
Yeah.
Like it's not short, it's not too long that it looks like a summer hat. But yeah, just been rocking bucket hats for a bit. Lastly, for me, my mom's vintage bag. You guys know that this stuff has been trending for a bit, and I'm like, Mom, how do you know that these bags were gonna trend in 2020? She got this like
2020.
Sorry,
yeah, you're
2019.
a little bit ahead of yourself, honey.
2019, when girls wear it like this, and I'm like, yeah, this is great, but it's not very good for me because I lose my stuff very easily. So me putting my bag down.
Yeah, because crossbodies make sense, so at least it's attached to her. But this,
I
understand.
Scared. Thanks, Mom.
Shout out Tita Ruby. All right, so next I have a random favorite, just one, and I kind of feel guilty for sharing this to you guys because I think they're gonna discontinue it.
True.
But the Thai coconut M&Ms, you guys. M&Ms does this thing every year, I think, where people like vote for like a specific flavor, and I'm pretty sure this flavor lost to English toffee M&Ms. But I'm enjoying it while I can. It was on sale at Walmart.
Good. You should just buy like 10 million.
It was on sale, that's true. Ow. I'm gonna chewing first and then we'll continue. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
We hope you guys got some inspiration with the things that we have been loving this summer. But yeah, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platforms.
At Cassie Mathenkai.
At Richie Pamantuan.
And at Weird to the Nines.
Don't forget to hashtag WeAreToTheNines
to be featured. Plug your other channel, go.
And Kyle and I have a channel, KNR, and we just do weird stuff. Where you really see my weird side.
Yeah,
saying that.
Yeah, because Kyle is so weird. It brings out like this really weird. Yeah. Whoa.
Willy.
When I was in Taipei, like during my layover, coming back home, I was literally watching Kyle and Richie's videos, and I was dying. When you surprised him with the iPhone.
Oh, that was crazy.
I will link it down below. I was literally laughing so hard, and Kyle got her a fish, and it died. Anyways, you're gonna have to watch it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Why?
I'm blatting myself.
Oh, okay. Why do you have to clap?
No, it was a pause because there was a throat bubble and I had to clear it first.
One hole in the sock is in
there. There's a sock in there? Wow.
I hit my tooth. Ow. It's like super fresh to the eye. You know what I mean?
Fresh to the eye.